guys, so today we have a 200 gram cake here, and as you can see I have a brand new setup, new desk mount for my phone. It sits way lower, and I also have this really cool turntable. It was about 15 bucks. It's not really as high quality as I thought it would be, but you know, it works. That way you guys can actually see everything while I'm talking about the product that I'm doing, demoing. But anyways, this is Pulse Pounder by Winda Fireworks. It is a 50 shot 200 gram cake, and this is supposedly one of the only legal salute cakes in the consumer market. Now, as crazy as that sounds, these are not flash powder salutes. They are black powder salutes, and they have these color tails that go up as they shoot up in the air. So this is pretty much a watered down salute cake, but the tubes are also pretty small. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at this. So as you can see, it was 25 bucks for 50 shots, which isn't too bad. There's a QR code right there. It says it's a 200 gram cake, but it feels like a 350. We got colors there: red, green, blue, orange, purple, and silver. That might be the salutes. There's some pictures up there. 42 seconds is the approximate duration. Sorry, my dad ended up coming in, drove the truck into the garage. So yeah, there's a QR code right there. And 42 seconds is the approximate duration. Firing pattern is straight up. We got a 10 out of 10 on the noise, and we got tail effects in there. That would be these pictures here. The performance says loud reports with red, green, blue, orange, and purple tails. There's another QR code there. 50 shots. Looks pretty nice. It's very heavy. I think last time I looked, it was like over 1,000 grams on the scale. But that's also because there's a lot of clay and the tubes are adding weight to it. Yeah, that's a lot of tubes in there, and they're pretty packed in there. Probably about half, maybe 2/3 of the way up, and they look like maybe a 1/4 inch bore size there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, Pulse Pounder. Go ahead and see what it does. Pulse Pounder. Nice. Thank you. So yeah, these are actually pretty nice, although they're not quite as loud as I thought they would be. They're pretty quiet, especially comparing them to real salutes. Some of them kind of poof, some of them kind of pop, but definitely not really what I was expecting. But it is a really nice cake either way. So if you're really looking for loud salutes, this is probably not something you would want to go with. But that is what you'll get for legal salutes. But it isn't horrible, but it could be way better. So definitely not worth $25. So, yeah, but either way, I do kind of like it. It's just kind of quiet, but it definitely does look like Salute. Some of them kind of look pretty sloppy, but yeah, that is all I have for today. So I think this got wet overnight. That's weird. It didn't even rain. That's weird. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.